House with garden. Welcome to Paradym Real Estate, House with Garden. Discover your dream home with Paradym. We're excited to present this exquisite property that's now available for you. Key features: 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, open concept kitchen, cozy fireplace, large backyard, convenient location. Swipe left to see more stunning images of this property. If you'd like to schedule a private viewing or have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact our team. Your dream home is just a phone call away. Stay tuned for more updates on real estate trends, property listings, and expert tips from Paradym. Whether you're buying, selling, or investing, we're here to make your real estate journey a success.